Everybody get out. Everybody should get out of my face.
Good morning, ma. Happy to see you, ma. God bless you, ma. Amen, ma. And your family, ma.
God bless you too. You can sit down. So, today, I welcome you all to your tutorial section. My name is Senior Mrs. Dr. Gladys. I fail students for no reason. You frustrate me, you repeat the class. You frustrate me, I give you carry over. So that is my name. Today, we are going to look at the 6 major classics of food.
Okay.
And the 6 major classics of food are carbohydrates, fat and oil, protein, vitamin, minerals, and water. And because it is Christmas season, it is Christmas celebration.
Yes.
So, who can tell me the best food for Christmas? Tolu?
Rice and chicken.
Oh, wow, that's good. A round of applause to her. Who else can give us another example? Basit?
Rice and chicken.
She what?
Rice and... Oh, but I thought somebody just mentioned that.
Yes.
Okay, anyway, we're going to clap for him. So, another person that can give us something that is not attached to what they have been saying since morning. Another thing. Ibrahim.
Rice and chicken.
Hey, Magbamike. Is it only rice and chicken una mama they always give una for Christmas? Rice and chicken, rice and chicken, rice. I don't understand. Hey? People should not frustrate me, oh. Your senior one self, ask them. I failed them for no reason.
Auntie.
Okay, so you two want to say something? Okay, yes.
Rice and chicken.
Now, mama, una will go give verdict for house. Eh? I don't know why everybody just stick to rice and chicken. I don't understand. Do you guys want to get the headache that you guys want to give me? I will go and transfer it to mama for house. Rice and chicken. Cause so get me, there's no another food, no swallow, no semo, no pando, nothing. It's only rice and chicken.
Auntie,
we must learn a lesson.
So, okay, you two, you have something to say.
Yes.
Let's maybe you will have common sense than all your colleagues that are just saying rubbish because they have already frustrated me like this. My blood is boiling already. So, what do you want to say?
chicken and rice with plantain.
We don't know why it's going on.
Someone like your Isa, you even rearrange your home. Chicken, rice, and plantain. So what is the difference between rice and chicken? She even had plantain to join her own. So what type of plantain are we talking about here? Is it the fried plantain or the roasted plantain?
The boiled plantain.
Everybody get out. Everybody should get out of my face. In fact, both the junior and the senior class carry over this straight. There is no two ways about it. You know what the house now? I get here they shout as if I did not have my own children. You people cannot frustrate me. No lecture again. In fact, I dey carry this thing go my house. Bye bye.